Hello everybody, so we have direct variation word problems today. So it's kind of what we did last week with direct variation, except with word problems. So the equation y equals mx still exists, where m is going to be the slope. And remember, slope is equal to rise over run, which will be useful shortly. So problem 1. Each math problem takes 6 minutes. If x is the number of math problems you complete, and y is the total number of minutes taken, create the equation that shows the amount of time it takes to complete x math problems. So, if you were to do 0 math problems, this would take you 0 minutes. I'm going to put a 0 in there. If you were to do 1 math problem, each one takes 6 minutes, so 1 math problem would take 6 minutes. If you do 2 math problems, that would be 2 6 minutes. 6 plus 6 is 12. Or you could think 6 times 2. Over here, 6 times 3 is 18 minutes to do 3 math problems. That makes our equation y is equal to 6x. If we plugged in 0, 1, 2, and 3 into this, we would have gotten 0, 6, 12, and 18. So it makes sense that that's the equation. Direct variation always goes through the order pair 0, 0, so there's a point there. And 1, 6 is a point, so 1, 6, 2, 12, 3, 18, and so on. And then we can take out a straight edge and connect those dots. And that is our line. You could also do this using rise over run, since you know that 6 is going to be the slope. You could start here at 0, 0, where all direct variation starts, go up 6 over 1, up 6 over 1, up 6 over 1, and you could also get the points that way. The follow-up questions, if you need to complete 10 math problems, how long will it take? Well, 10, it's a number of math problems, so that is an x value. If we do y equals 6 times 10, using this equation up here, we get 60 minutes. So that would take a full hour. These must be some long math problems. Okay, that's page 1. Let's go on to page 2 here. Each apple costs $50. If you buy X apples, create the equation for the cost Y. So you probably see the pattern here. This is going to be the slope again. So our equation is going to be y equals 1/2 x. Now in the table here, I decided to use even numbers because when you plug even numbers into this, we'll get better integer answers. 0, well, 0, right? If you buy 0 apples, it costs $0. If you buy 2 apples and each one costs $50, that means you would have $1 whole for those. Number 4, if you buy 4 apples, each of which are $50, that would be $2 in total. We also could get this by doing y equals 1/2 times 4. 6, 1/2 times 6, half of 6 is 3, which fits the pattern there. So 0, 0, then 2, 1, so 2, 1, 4, 2, and 6, 3. We take out our straight edge and connect the dots. Creating the equation. You also could get this by doing the slope. 1/2, go up 1 over 2, up 1 over 2, up 1 over 2 to continue to get points. Follow-up question, if you buy 12 apples, how much will it cost? Y equals 1/2 of 12. Y equals 1/2 of 12 is 6. So $6 is the answer to that one. For number 3, I'd like you guys to try this one on your own, and then you can check with the answer key on Schoology. Good luck!